Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Today we're making pastries which we named sugar shells. They are very easy to make treat that your whole family will enjoy. Let's begin. We'll start with sifting the flour, 300 grams of plain flour, a sachet of vanilla sugar, 50 grams of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Sift it all into a bowl. Add 200 grams of very cold cubed butter, unsalted butter, and 200 grams of pressed cottage cheese into the flour and split it in a food processor until we get this sort of breadcrumb consistency. It only takes seconds. Dump it on the worktop. Looks all crumbly, but that's what makes them so delicious. See, when you press it together, it becomes dough. So press it all together and make the dough. Very simple and super quick. So now I'm going to divide it in half and then roll each half into a log and divide it into 10 pieces. Now we pour 140 grams of sugar onto a plate. Take one of the pieces of dough, roll it in your hands into a ball and flatten it. Then press it down into the plate with sugar. Fold it in half, press it again, fold it again, and then last dip in sugar and place it onto a parchment lined baking tray. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? And now we're going to put this tray into the fridge for 1 hour for the pastries to firm up, for the butter to go solid again, so that when it's baking they will puff up. So the pastries are chilled now and they're going into the preheated to 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown. Here we are, ready. Look at those gorgeous little things. Sugary coating, crunchy on the outside and soft and fluffy and delicious on the inside. They're super hot just now, I can't even touch them. I'll let them cool on a wire rack and then put them in onto something nice. So here they are, cooled down, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Flaky. They're absolutely delicious. I hope you try them. So here they are, all ready. It took exactly 25 minutes in my oven. See how it works out in yours, so but between 25 and 30. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven. Please like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, bye.